Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to your Visa card step by step. So let's get started. First, you want to log into your Pocket Option account, and once you're in, you want to look to the left-hand side of your dashboard and click Finance. From here, you want to choose Withdrawal. Now, here's something important. Before you can withdraw money, you need to have made at least one deposit into your account. If you haven't, the withdrawal feature will be locked until the requirement is met. Also, you want to make sure your account is fully verified to access this feature. And once your account is eligible, you'll see the withdrawal page appear. The withdrawal requests on Pocket Option are usually processed automatically and can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 3 business days, depending on your payment method. Now, this account isn't fully verified yet, but here's how it would look like. So on this page, you simply choose a Visa card from the available options. You can also select a bank transfer, but in this case, we'll focus on Visa. And after selecting your Visa card, you want to enter the necessary details, like your card number and the amount you want to withdraw. Important note, do not enter your CVV or any other sensitive code. Pocket Option doesn't require that for withdrawals. And once you've double checked that all your details are correct, just go ahead and click continue to submit your withdrawal request. And basically that's it. Your funds will be processed and transferred to your Visa card shortly, usually within a few minutes, but sometimes up to 3 business days. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!